This week in Quick Tip Tuesday, I want to show you how you widen your tire from this to that. For this procedure, you're gonna need a tire, some styrene, a circle cutter, a hobby knife, pliers, a glue for styrene, and some CA glue. First you have to dismantle your wheel. Now you lay your hobby knife flat on the desk, and if you don't have the right height, you might have to lay something under it, and you turn the tire so it has always the same distance to the desk until you finally make it through. Now you have two pieces. Now you take your circle cutter and just scratch the styrene for as many distance pieces you want to. The good thing on styrene is it always breaks exactly on that scratched line. So you just have to wiggle around a little bit and then you have 3 circles. Now you take your styrene glue and glue those 3 circles together. After it's completely dry, we sand the edge a little bit. Now we take CA glue and glue those 3 parts together. After some painting, we just have to assemble the 3 parts again, and there you have it, a wide and meaty tire. But this was the tip of this week.